Hi, so today we are doing asanas in a continuous gentle morning flow. So we start. I'm sitting cross-legged in Chin Mudra. Your spine straight, close your eyes and just be comfortable in this pose. Deep inhale, long exhale. Deep inhale, long exhale. Gently open your eyes and we start. Left hand on the right knee, right hand up. Bend on the opposite side. Look ahead and stretch. Exhaling, come back. Right hand to the left knee, left hand up. Stretch your hand and drop yourself on the opposite side. Knees going down towards the floor. Exhaling, slowly come back. Palms on the knees. Stretch your palms in front. Now twist yourself to the right. Left hand on the shoulder and right hand going behind. Look at your fingers. Inhaling, come to the center. Exhaling, twist to the other side. Right palm on the left shoulder, twisting your left hand behind and looking at the fingers. Inhaling, come to the center. Exhaling, back. Now keep your palms behind. Stretch your legs in the front. And drop your neck behind. Open your chest and inhale. Exhaling, come to the center. Once again, inhale, dropping your neck behind gently. Exhaling, come to the center. Now bend your right leg, your right hand behind, the left hand touching the knee and taking it towards your belly. Now stretch yourself, twist yourself behind, looking behind and having a smile on your face. Just feeling the compression on your belly. Inhaling, center and we change. Left knee bent and kept by the side of your right knee. Left hand behind, right hand on the knee, compressing your belly. Look towards the left side, towards your hand. Look ahead. Feel the compression on your belly. Feel the stretch on your arms. Inhaling, center. Stretch your legs ahead. And now come back in this cross-leg position. Now rise yourself in a tabletop position with your palms and your knees. Palms drop down and knees also on the mat. Shoulder level gap between your knees and shoulder level gap between your palms. Come to the neutral position first, your toes outside. Inhaling, rise your neck up and drop your belly down. Exhaling, chin tucked to the chest and pull your belly up. A round shape on your spine. Round your spine and feel the stretch. Inhaling, rise your neck up and drop your belly. Come to the neutral position. We go in a continuous flow. Take your right legs behind and straight. Look ahead. Drop your leg down on the mat. Once again, rise up. Keep going. Now come back to the normal position. Your left leg stretched out and straight. Keep it down. Once again, come back to the normal position. Now raise your right hand and look ahead. Keep it down. Once again, rise up and keep it back. Left hand up and drop it down. Once again, take your hand up and back to normal position. Now we come in the mountain pose. Raise your knees, your hips up. Bend your knees, keep them soft. Bend your elbows and your chest towards the knees. Slowly rise up. Your tailbone towards the ceiling, heels towards the mat. Once again, soften your knees and bend your elbows towards the chest, towards the knees. Once again, rise up and slowly walk up towards the knees. And unwind, slowly unwind and relax. A few deep breaths. Inhale, exhale. Now take your shoulders up and take them behind. Once again, take your shoulders up and behind. Take your shoulders up and front. Take your shoulders up and front. Now your palms joining your waist. A little distance between your feet. We make a good small rotation of your belly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And reverse rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we take our hands little down and move our pelvic area. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Join your feet together and palms on the knees, looking ahead. A small rotation, small circles on your knees. Reverse. And relax. Now we take our hands up, joining our palms up. And taking your neck also up, looking at your fingers. Take your neck to the center, coming down slowly to your toes. Bend your knees, keep them soft. Bend your elbows and try to touch your forehead to the knee. Balancing yourself and opening your knees here. Try to open your knees. Once again, slowly unwind and come up. A little distance between your feet for balancing. Inhaling. Take your hands at your shoulder level. Chin up. Exhaling. Slowly go down. Your knees relaxed. Look ahead at one point and straighten your knees. Walk it up slowly. Ahead, ahead, ahead. Bend your knees down. Your hands, elbows on the mat. A little space between your knees. Drop your hips down. Toes join together and forehead on the mat. A relaxing pose. Relax yourself for 5 minutes and just get up. Sit in a seated posture. Thanks for watching the video. Like and subscribe my channel so that we stay connected. Put in your comments, which I would love to see. Watch my next video on a stress busting technique. Thank you so much. God bless.